All right, this is the teacher overview for Unit 6, Module 4, Session 2, Fractions on a Geoboard. Just kind of the extension of the halves, now going into other fractions. So you'll need to have everything prepped for the geoboards. Some vocab that they introduced in this lesson: denominator and numerator. That might be new to some students, so you're going to want to take some time to explain what that is. They hopefully have heard it before, but there it is. Once again, this is just the student part. This is just the teacher model. You're gonna make the biggest square, and then you're gonna break it into pieces. A, piece B, C, D, and E. And obviously, we'll label those as fractions later. So as you go on, you'll see that we label part A as 1/2, part B as 1/4, C and D as 1/16, and E as 1/8. As you can see, then they go down, and we talk about how adding 1/16 and 1/16 would equal 1/8, because they're equal. 2/16 would equal 1/8. They're all related. That's what we're trying to get out. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to give each student this copy of this page, which is student book page 216. And once you do that, you're going to have them, the page is like this, and they're going to have to do basically the same thing but on their own. So it would be highly encouraged the students, if they're going to have to figure out what each small triangle represents, they're going to have to create the rest of the geoboard into those equal triangle pieces. So once they've done that, then they can go through and write down their notices, and they can play around with some of the different fractions.